Good morning once again. Yesterday we have seen the concept of finding rational numbers between given two numbers. Then we were learning about how to find the location of a rational number on number line. To find the location of a number on number line, first thing we need to require is to understand between which two integers the number is lying. Class, do you remember? Yesterday we have done that. How to find between which two numbers the number is lying. Can you tell me this 8 by 7 is lying between which two numbers? Can you tell me this 8 by 7 is lying between which two numbers? Similar way that we have done yesterday. Please tell me between which two integers this rational number is lying. It is lying between no Naman, no Naman. It is not a integer that you are giving me. In integer, it should be a perfect factor. 7 and 9. No. Bani, correct. Others, please try. Beta Sarvagya, how 8 beta? 8 by 7. Obviously, it is much smaller than 8. We have to understand to find the next integer, we have to increase the 8. To find the next integer, we need to increase the 8 by how much? By how much shall I increase this 8 so that it becomes divisible by 7? Yes, Kanishka, correct. By how much shall I increase the 8 so that it becomes divisible by 7? Very easy. We will increase by plus 6 and that will give us the nearest integer which is larger, 14 by 7. It is similar to 2. And what is the minimum number that I should subtract from 8 so that it becomes divisible by 7? Please tell me minus 1. Yes, this will give me 7 upon 7, that is 1. So this way I got to know one thing for sure. This number is lying on number line between 1 and 2. So class, till this point, is it clear to everyone? Yes. Now comes the next thing, class. Now comes the next part. After finding the rational number is lying between 1 and 2, we need to understand where should I put it. We need to understand where should I put it in this complete block. The question that arises in my mind is where should I put it in the block? Yes, very good. Bani, very nice beta. Bani gave the hint. Sir, we can write the 1 as 7 by 7 and we can write the 2 as 14 by 7. Very good, Bani. Very nice. So by doing this, this question becomes very easy. Now, you can say the next number is how much, class? Please tell me. What is this number? What is this number? 8 by 7. Very good. Harsh Kumar, Ashima, Ryan Gumbar, Bani Preet Kaur. Okay, all are added now. So this number is 8 by 7. The next number is 9 by 7. The next number is 10 by 7. The next number is 11 by 7, 12 by 7, 13 by 7, and we have 14 by 7 as it is. Now the answer is this value. I will circle it and I will say this is the 8 by 7 answer. Easily you can do any question by this method. Shall I give you another example? Okay, Mokshita is saying, so please repeat. Mokshita, what I have done is, Mokshita, first thing is, our concern is to find the integers between which the number is lying. The reason behind that is, on number line, we are habitual of watching these integers. So we need to understand between which two integers our number lies. After finding that, we can find the position very easily, and that I will tell you in the next example. So please class, for me and for the sake of India, solve this question. Locate 15 upon, shall I give you 18? That will be, I will take, okay, let me make it 15 upon. Okay, first let make it easy. 15 by 7. First tell me between which two numbers it is lying and then locate it. First tell me between which two numbers it is lying and then you locate it. Okay, Kavish? Correct? Correct, Naina? We will solve this ourselves. Let's solve it fast, Bani. Diti Arora, kindly check what you are doing. Rachit, no, wrong. Priyal, correct. Ekta, but you are doing a mistake. Lavya, correct. Rachit, wrong. Rishi, correct. Alan, correct. Rachit, wrong. Ekta, wrong. Kritika, correct. Karnik, correct. Rishi, correct. Now, most of you are correct. Nana gave the answer also of the location. Nice. Sarvagya, 2 and 6. These are consecutive integers. 2 is coming at this position, 6 is coming here. They are not consecutive, beta. Try to think. So, the first motive is to find between which two integers this given rational number lies. So, first tell me what should I add in 15 to make it divisible by 7? What should I add in 15? I should add plus 6. It becomes 21 upon 7. And what should I subtract in 15 so that it becomes divisible by 7? Please tell me. Minus 1. Very good. This is similar to 2 on the number line. This is similar to 3 on the number line by the concept of equivalent fraction. And we can say this is the number line. This is your 2, this is your 3. You can do one more thing, you can draw 1 also, just to show that you are drawing a complete number line. Class, one more thing, please tell me between this 2 and 3 how many divisions will come. I want to ask you one thing, between this 2 and 3 how many divisions will come. Seeing this denominator, can you tell me how many divisions will come? No 10, no 10. You have to see the denominator. It is 7 over here. So you will have 7 divisions. Let me make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 is this only. So now let me write this. Yes, there are infinite numbers between them, but for me to locate, I have to choose some scale. Okay. Now class, answer them very easily. Kushal Sareen, D. Mervin, Sanjo, Ryan Gumbar, Harsh Kumar, Avneet Singh. So class, please see. How? I will tell you, beta. It is a trick from my side. Now this 2 can be written as 14 by 7. This 3 can be written as 21 by 7. This next will become 15 by 7. This will become 16 by 7, 18 by 7, 19 by 7, 20 by 7. Okay, this is wrong. 20 is okay, na? This will not come. These are okay. Sir, it is just after 14 by 7 on number line. Yes, beta, it is just after that. But to make it correct, I am doing like this. Now I will change the denominator. Okay, a mistake. This was 17 by 7. Sorry. 17 by 7. This was 18 by 7. This was 19 by 7. This was 20 by 7. So this way we can obtain any numbers. Good, Priyal. Now I will change the denominator and I will see how far you have understood the question. Okay. Please find and locate 13 upon 9. Please locate 13 upon 9 on number, this rational number on number line. First tell me between which two integers this number is lying. Kavish, too quick to give answer, and you are correct. You are correct. Naina correct. Alan correct. Bani okay. Kritika okay. Diti okay. Now almost all of you are giving the correct answer. Now you all are doing it fine. Very good. Arey Gauransh, what will come in exam, what will not come in exam should not be your concern right now. Your concern should be what we are doing right now. Are you able to understand that? That's it. Okay. So class, first we will try to find the larger integer and the smaller integer. To find the larger integer, what we do? We add some numbers minimum so that it becomes divisible by 9. What should I add? What should I add? I will have to add 5 in this. It becomes 18 by 9. What should I subtract to bring the lowest or the smallest of this? Minus. Okay, Bunny, if you do, you can do by that also, it is okay. We have to minus what? Minus 4. Okay. It becomes 9 by 9. 9 by 9 is same as 1. 18 by 9 is same as 2. My method will help you always. That is why I stick to this method only. Now please see. We have obtained one thing. From between which number our number is lying? I have found that it is lying between 1 and 2. Please tell me, shall I take larger gap between 1 and 2, or shall I keep it lower? As 9 is in denominator, I know I will have to make 9 divisions. So what do you say? Shall I take more distance between the numbers? What do you say? Big gap should be taken, na? Okay. So in that case, this will not be look good. I will make a larger gap. Let me erase this. Because I want to make 9 divisions, I will have to take larger gaps. So this is 0, this should be minus 1, this should be 1, this should be 2. My number line is correct. I have equal spaces between them, so everything is fine. But my area of concern is between 1 and 2. My area of concern is between 1 and 2. I will make how many divisions? 9 divisions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is 9 already. So actually I am drawing 8 lines and ninth one is already there. So please see class. This one can be written as 9 upon 9. This 2 can be written as 18 upon 9. What is this? Please tell me. What is this? What is this next dash? This next dash is signifying 10 upon 9. This signifies 11 upon 9. This signifies 12 upon 9. And our answer is this number, that is 13 upon 9. And we have obtained the number very easily. Please scroll up the screen. Okay. Now, are you ready for a tough question? Please tell me, are you ready for a tough question? Are you ready for a tough question now? In one voice, please say. So you all are saying you are ready. So please try this one now. From the Chamber of Secrets, this question is like this. Locate minus 7 upon 5 on number line. Please locate minus 7 by 5 on the number line. Please be very careful in finding the lower and the larger integer. Don't do any mistake. Okay, Kavish. Okay, I think Kavish, you are correct. You are correct. No, Rishi, you are the first person to be trapped in the trap. Mokshita, your video is on. Please switch it off because others are getting distracted. Nitin Raheja, wrong. No, first one was wrong. Nitin is correct. Nitin is correct. Yes, first one was wrong. Those whom I told na, he is correct. He is wrong. Nitin is correct. Priyal is correct. Lavya is correct. And Sarvagya, wrong beta. Sarvagya, you are also in the trap. Alan Matthew, correct. Sir, no Parth. Welcome to the trap. Naman Reja, good beta. Parth wrong. Kanishk minus 10 by 5. Okay, Kanishka, correct. Now let's see. Those who successfully jumped on this trap, congratulations. And those who are trapped, please see from the trap inside only. You can observe we have to again find the larger integer and the smaller integer. Please tell me what should I add in minus 7 to make it larger and also divisible by 5. What should I do in minus 7? I shall add plus 3 to go to the right. To go to the right side, I should add something. So I have to add plus 3. It becomes what? Not plus 3, plus 2. Sorry, plus 2 I have to add. Or plus 3 only. Plus, try to understand on number line. On right side, we have a larger number. On left side, we have a smaller number. Try to think like that and tell me what should I add in minus 7 so that I get a larger number than minus 7. Obviously, minus 5 beta. Why you are saying 3? Obviously, minus 5 will work for me. Na? If I get minus 5 upon 5, that is fine for me. If you add plus 3, it becomes minus 4. If you add plus 3, it becomes minus 4. That is not good for us. Now, we will subtract something in minus 7 so that we get the lower number. And that is minus 3. Yes, that is minus 3. Don't get confused. It is very simple. When we go to the left, we subtract. When we go to the right, we add. Dimag ghum gaya, but it was nice question. Okay. Good, Rachit. Control your emotions. It will be fine. I will give you one more example like this. Don't worry. So when you add minus 3, what will happen? Minus 3 and minus 7 become minus 10. So minus 10 upon 5. So we have obtained the smaller number as minus 2, the larger number as minus 1. So this is the concept. We have got minus 2 and minus 1 as the smaller and larger number. Now we have to locate our number in this. Tell me how many divisions I will make between minus 2 and minus 1. Please tell me how many divisions I will make. Because the denominator is 5, I will have to make 5 divisions. So I will draw diagram accordingly. Suppose this is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. My concerned area is this one. I will draw 5 divisions. First division, second division, third division, fourth division, and fifth division. And now, this minus 2 can be written as what? Minus 10 upon 5. This minus 1 can be written as what? Minus 5 by 5. And please tell me, what is the value of this first division? Please tell me what is the value of this first division? Yes, it is minus 9 by 2. Ryan Gumbar, again, Ashima, Yuvraj, Tushita. I think your connections are not good today. The next number is minus 9 by 5. Very good. This number is minus 8 by 5. This is minus 7 by 5. The required answer, circle it. And this is the answer. And we have obtained the answer. But I have accepted all of them. Are you ready for one more question like this? Please tell me. Now, are you ready for the trap? Now, are you ready? Please tell. Now, you are ready. Please try this one. I have made you people ready for class 8, class 9th also with this concept. So, you have to locate now minus minus 21 upon 11. Please try. Please try. Please try this and help me to clear this round. Be very careful. Calm your mind. Don't hurry to give the answer. Think, understand. First tell me between which two numbers it is lying. Naman is saying it is lying between -1 and -2. Lavya is saying the same thing. Kavish is saying -2 and -1. Beta, you have to think of one thing. Please give me answer as the number line says. Please give me the answer as the number line says. First, you should write the smaller number, then write the larger number. Okay? Yes. So Nana is saying the same answer. Diti is saying the same answer. Karnik Khera, again I'm telling you, try to write the numbers always in the form of number line format. Right side is -1. Good. Good. So almost all of you got this. But I already taken in Mervin. Let me see. Again, they are there only. Ashima, Yuvraj Golani, Mervin, Banipreet. See. So class, we have obtained between which two numbers it is lying. It is lying between. So first for that, what will we do? We will try to add something. Please tell me, what should I add? Please tell me. Ryan, beta, no issue. Maybe some network issue at your point. You can watch the video on this YouTube channel and you can again understand. No issue. What should I what should I add in -21 to go to the right side? I will add plus 10. It becomes -11 upon 11. What should I subtract in 21? Sorry, in -21 to get the smaller number? Please tell me, what should I subtract? I should subtract -1. It becomes this thing. So the integers are -2 and -1. Now please tell me between -2 and -1, how many divisions we are going to make? Please tell me between -2 and -1, how many divisions? Very nice. We are going to make 11 divisions to make this locating point process very easy. For that, I need to understand, I should make it very open, very spaced up. So let us make that a larger number line with more space now. I want -2, I want -1 and 0. So it is a customary thing to show one other point also to show it is a number line. Now class, we have -2, we have -1. It can be written as -22 by 11. It can be written as -11 upon 11. Now we have to draw 11 dash. 11 means you have to draw 10 dash because 11th is already there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11th is this only. Please tell me the value of which one? -22 by 11, -21 by 11. This is 20 by 11, -19 by 11. We want this one, na? This only we want. This only we want. This is the answer. So class, what do you say? Yes, class. Arey beta, this is actually in scale also. Now you see like this only. Let me show you why I am saying 11 divisions. Let me show you. Please see, Diti and others who are having the doubts. This is the first division. This is known as 1. This is the second division. This is known as 2. This is known as 3. This is known as 4. This is known as 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now I think, what you say, Diti, it is clear to you. We have 11 only. It is a concept that I'm giving you a hint that you have to draw 10 lines for 11 intervals. That's it. If you want to draw 12 intervals, you will draw 11 lines, and that's it. Okay, so almost maximum of you got this. Now please, for God's sake, try to solve these questions of 9.1. They are all very easy. Question number 5, I want to give you a hint of question number 5. Question 5 is also very easy. In this question, they are saying, beta, as soon as you complete the exercise, I will start the new chapter, no issue. Please see class, question number 5 in your book. All of you see in your book. This is a very good question to understand the concept of locating, and you will only answer me. I will not answer this question. -2, then there is -1, then there is 0, there is 1. Very nice, Bunny. This is 2, this is 3. Now class, what they are doing is they have made three divisions between -2 and -1, and they have done 3 division between this also, and they are saying the points name are U, S, R, T, A, P, Q, B. Class, are you ready for the challenge? Class, are you ready for the challenge? Please tell, are you ready for the challenge? Here we are going to utilize our knowledge which we have learned till now. They are saying this US is equal to SR is equal to RT. This is equal to this equal to this. Can you tell me whatever number comes here, what denominator will come in that number? Please tell me that. Whatever number is S, class, we have to find which number will come in the place of S. Please tell me what will be the denominator of S. Just seeing the diagram, can you tell me? Very nice, Kavish, very nice. Naman, no. Try to see. I have told you, denominator says number of divisions. Denominator says number of divisions. And here we have how many divisions? We have 3 divisions. Number says the divisions. Yes, we have, let me check again. 9.1. One second. Let me see if it's fine. I think it is fine. Question number 5. Now, yes. So class, as I've told you in previous cases, whenever we used to see the number which we are locating, suppose the number was 5/7, we used to say as 7 is denominator, there will be 7 divisions. In this question, we don't know the number. We know the divisions. There are 3 divisions. So we can say clearly this will be how much? 3. We can say whatever number are there, their denominator is how much? 3. Please tell me how you can obtain -2 if denominator is 3. Class, please tell me how you can obtain -2 if denominator is 3. Please tell me what should be the numerator so that you get -2. What should be the numerator? It should be -6. Very good. Similarly, tell me what should be the numerator in this case so that you get -1. Please tell me what should be the numerator so that you get -1. Very easy. It should be -3. And now tell me what is value of S. After you have found the boundaries, can you tell me what is the value of S? S is -5/3. But Ryan, actually, you were not there in the starting. Maybe that's why you are having the issue. I request you to watch the lecture once more time on the YouTube. It will be easy for you. Please tell me what is the value of R. What is the value of R? It is -4/3. Okay. Lavya, it is 4/3, beta, not 4/6. Now, similarly, class, what can we say about here? What is denominator of these numbers? Please tell me what is denominator of these numbers? Again, same 3 only because there are 3 divisions. So 3 will come in the denominator. Tell me how you will get 2. How will you get 2 by 6/3? How will you get 3? How will you get 3? It is, but how will you get 3? Which number should come in numerator? Which number should come in numerator? No. You want 3, beta. Yes, Kavish, correct. It will come when it is 9. Yes. So now this number is what? Please tell me what is value of P? What is value of P? It is 7 by 3. What is value of Q? It is 8 by 3. And with this question is done. I request you all to go through these things properly. Let me switch off the recording. We have some time to talk.